Welcome guys, Peyton here. Today we are in how to make money with your Wi-Fi. We will be using TraffMonetizer. So I have nothing else to say, let's get into the video. Okay, so we are here and this is the page. As you can see, TraffMonetizer, if you didn't see it because I think I put the logo and all the stuff. So yeah, share your internet connection and make more money online. Where will we pay for your traffic? Hundreds of marketing and advertising agencies need to visit customer websites from different regions to make sure their ads are displaying properly and check the results of their efforts. These companies pay us for data collected across different regions, while we pay you for using your internet traffic to collect this data. It's a simple win-win-win. Okay, so what this means is that we only use a small fraction of our internet. I don't know where I say. Oh, here. We only use 10% of the internet bandwidth, so they will use the other bandwidth that we're not using, and they will give us this money average income. It doesn't mean that you will get more or less. This is the average. So yeah, I will register. Will sign up on all season. Okay, so we're here. As you can see, they give you $5 free just signing up. So I will copy this link, and this link will be in the description of this video. So you can click this link, you will get $5 extra. And yeah, that's the thing. First, you have to download the app. Okay, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is as well. But this is Android and this is Windows. So I think that I will just download it in my laptop. Well, where I'm recording this in my laptop. So yeah, I will see you. I will see you when I download this. Okay, so this is a little thing. You will have to download this. Okay, so I download this, and now you will have to copy paste this. Okay, so copy this to the clipboard, and now you will go here, and it will ask you. Sorry, you go here, and it will ask you for your token, and this is your token. You copy paste it. Well, you only paste it, and yeah, now service is running. Get more stats. Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'm going to be watching videos, I'm going to be doing normal life, and I will see you. Now it's 5 p.m., so I will see you at 7 p.m. I think. So yeah, until 7 p.m. Bye. Okay, so it's 6:15 p.m. and as you can see, we have made, well, I don't know how to read this because 1 cent. Okay, this is not money, but I'm pretty sure that you can get money. And remember that I used Honeygain on my other video, and as you can see, if I have this to work in, I think that this will be pretty good. So yeah, in payments you can see that I only have this. In referrals, this is where I get this, so that's what you will have in in the description box. So yeah, now you can go to the description box and load it. I think that this is worth it because you're not going to earn money. You are in money, you're getting money just for doing what you always do, being on the internet. I don't know, watch YouTube videos, watch HBO, I don't know, do the normal things that you do and you are getting paid. Yeah, it's a little bit of money, just a little bit, but it's money. So if you enjoyed, you know what to do. Share the video with your friends, like it, and subscribe. That's the most important thing. I have got nothing else to say. Until the next one.